One person is dead after pointing a BB gun at officers. It happened just before 10 a.m. on West William Cannon Drive near Menchaca Road in South Austin. Austin police say they received calls about a person sitting in a wheelchair blocking traffic. One caller said the person pointed a gun at them. According to Police Chief Lisa Davis, when officers arrived on scene, the man tried to take off. After officers gave warnings, the man turned around with what appeared to be a gun in his hand.
At that point, the subject raised the gun and pointed at the officer. The officer fired, I believe, 6 rounds. Unfortunately, the subject is deceased, and the weapon that we have recovered was a Glock replica BB gun.
Chief Davis says a more detailed report is expected to come out in just a few days. So if you were near this shooting and you have any information, you're urged to call Austin Police. That number is right there on your screen.